I spent a lot of time thinking about the next character for this year's Halloween series. Ferocious predators, haunting ghosts. None of them quite felt right. Until the name Mistress Death flashed in my mind, I knew no one was more suitable than her. With her cold, mysterious appearance and deadly power, Mistress Death is the perfect symbol for the spooky season. Let's recreate the aura of Mistress Death right now. After a long wait, our Goddess of Death has finally escaped from the 3D printer. Let's carefully remove her from the build plate and break off all the supports to set her free. The supports are all gone. Now it's time for the Goddess of Death's beauty care. We'll sand the entire surface until it's perfectly smooth and fill in any small holes left over. After all, even the Goddess of Death needs perfect skin. A perfect surface, right? The parts are ready. The assembly game begins now. Let's be really careful because you don't want to mess this up. Trust me. The Goddess of Death has revealed her true form. Pretty cool, huh? But it'll be even cooler once I've coated the entire model with the first layer of gray primer. Keep watching. A gray primer isn't enough to define the goddess. Now we will bestow upon her light and shadow with a black and white undercoat. Black for the deep places, white for the high points. This is called pre-shading. Now is the time to bestow upon the goddess of death the color of power. The entire model will be cloaked in a mystical, metallic purple layer. The black and white undercoat will do its job, helping this purple color automatically have depth, with light spots and dark spots, which is incredibly magical. Using fluorescent paint to create a gradient will push it to a new level, making the cloak look like it's emitting an eerie light. Once the goddess is glowing, we'll move on to the weapon in the base. A bit of brown paint will be applied using the speckling technique to create a rusty or earthy texture, adding to her rugged, weathered look. And this is the final step, where we bring the soul to the goddess of death. With a combination of airbrush and handbrush, we will define the volumes one last time, making the cloak's folds and the bony details sharper than ever. Every small detail will be attended to in order to complete her deadly appearance. Are you ready? Mistress Death appears right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to suggest which character you'd like to see me work on next. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.